We warmly welcome you, Rania ma'am, to today's class. Thank you so much for your continuous dedication towards our shining stars and guiding them every day, teaching them with the whole sincerity. Your efforts, your patience, and your valuable knowledge truly inspire and all the students to learn, grow every day. So we sincerely appreciate the classes you conduct and support them, and you always provide. And yesterday, even I have gone through and I was talking to our, management and telling that, see, actually, I know that your original PDF which you used to teach. So I said that, see, Rania ma'am has edited each PDF again for teaching them easily. So, and she really made it connected that a student should connect with that. So it is absolutely a great dedication. So thank you so much once again, a heartfelt welcome to you for providing your everyday session. Thank you for being such an amazing mentor for all of us. Over to you, my dear respected Anima. The next 1 hour is all yours.
Thank you so much, Dr. Matvino. Watching these amazing students grow and learn, this is the biggest reward for me, you know very well. And I'm very dedicated and will continue to be dedicated. Euh, alors, bonjour à tous et à toutes. Bonjour Mahira, Parani, Sran, Simran. Je suis très heureuse de vous accueillir aujourd'hui, encore une fois, dans notre cours de français. Apprendre une nouvelle langue est toujours une aventure passionnante qui nous permet de découvrir une nouvelle culture et de communiquer avec des personnes du monde entier. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer une nouvelle leçon très intéressante. Nous allons apprendre comment dire l'heure en français et comment parler de notre journée et de nos activités quotidiennes. Alors, soyez prêts à écouter, parler, apprendre ensemble. Rendons cette leçon amusante et interactive. Alors, je vais partager maintenant ma présentation. Deepti also is here. Bienvenue, Deepti. Okay, yesterday, we talked about the hour. So Mahira and Pagani, I think is here, yes. You will learn here, you will hear these things for the first time. We'll just repeat for the others because it's not so easy. Okay, if we want to ask the hour in French, how we will say this? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Or you can say, il est quelle heure? It's the same thing. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? The more informal, very spoken French, but I just avoid this. If you are in France, you can hear this. You can say to aller où vous avez l'heure, means do you have the time. But what I need from you to learn is quelle heure est-il? We ask quelle heure est-il and how we reply always with the impersonal structure and formula il est. It's impersonal. So il est une heure, il est 2 heures. After X we have vowel, so 2 heures, pronunciation changes. Il est 3 heures, after S vowel, 3 heures. You can see here S plural only for all the hours except one. And for half, French uses et demi. Il est 3 heures et demie. Il est 6 heures et demie, it means and a half. Now, French uses special expressions for quarter past, the expression écart. We say il est 4 heures et quart. Quarter to, you know, in English, this is moins le quart in French, so we will say 5 heures moins le quart. But what do you notice here? We'll add 1 hour forward, and then we say minus 1 quart. So here you say 5 heures moins le quart minus 1 quart. So what is happening here? France counts backwards from the next hour using moins, minus. Il est 6 heures moins 10. Il est 9 heures, 9 heures. Why I'm saying 9 heures? Because after F we have a vowel. 9 heures moins 20. Is this clear? You see here, Pagani, for example, Mahira. You understand what I'm saying here? 550, 550, you will say 6 heures minus this. You understand
Yes, ma'am.
what we are doing? You add 1 hour more. Um, so here I'm on the car, moins plus minutes. What are these minutes? The minutes that we need before the next hour. Moins 5 means minus 5. Moins 10, minus 10. Moins 25, minus 25, 25. So moins plus minute means minute before the next hour. How many minutes we have before the next hour? Again here, 3h15, il est 4h30, moins le quart. When we want to precise exactly, il est 8h du matin, in the morning, 8h de l'après-midi, 9h du soir. Midi, it's midnight, noon. Minuit, it's midnight. So, il est 9h du soir, etc. Here you can see some examples. Il est 2h10. Here you say, for example, il est 2h10, il est 2h20. We don't use ent, e. We don't use e. Directly we say the number. Il est 2h05. Il est 2h10. Il est 8h35. Here we have the other option, 8h35, to say night hours minus 25. You understand? So, 9h
Yes.
moins 25. 9h, I said before that with moins, we add 1 hour. 9 hours moins 25. Il est 10h moins 10 here. 10h moins 10. Here we're doing the abstraction in mathematics. So
I
again,
have one question.
yes, yes, yes.
So my question was, do you also say like the o'clock?
Yes, we say du matin, we say 2h. If the time is exact, we say à 2h pile. Don't mention this, but if the time is exact, we say that I will be there. On va se rencontrer à 10h pile, exactly. But o'clock is, no, we don't say o'clock, we say il est 10h. We use heure,
Okay.
the word heure. Just also to say the informal and formal, for informal, wait a minute, is what I said before, quart, et demi, moins le quart. All this concern the informal, the 12-hour clock, the conversational French. But if you want the business and formal French, then you will use, you will say 13h, 15h30, 10h15. So yesterday we learned about the informal, the spoken French mostly. But for business or more formal, you can use the numbers higher than 12. I don't know, in India it's the same, I guess. In Greece also we're doing the same. So 13 or 15. But now we're learning now the 12-hour, the informal clock. The other one is simple. You just need to know the numbers. It's nothing. We don't have anything to explain here. We just need to know the numbers. 15h30, 18h15. So let's start. Here again, you can see Mahira and Pawani. You can see the table. Let's start from this one from yesterday, and after we will do more activities. Okay, let's start from yesterday because you were not here. Mahira, can you start? You can see the table at the same time. It shows everything.
Here's sink.
Okay, I ask you, quelle heure est-il? And you will tell me, il est.
Il est. And here's sink.
5 hours, 5 heures.
And
5
here's
heures.
sink.
5 heures.
This. How do you say this
Cinq-
word in the between?
No, you will say 5 hours. 5 heures.
And cinq
Heures,
heures.
heures, exactly. 5 heures. And after we have a quarter.
And,
How we say quarter? Do you remember how I said this? You can see also the table. How is the quarter?
um, and,
You, s-
you, you wrote this?
you see here, 1 heure 5. You see the table? Can you see the
Yes.
table? 1 heure 5, 1 heure 10. 1 heure a car. A car is the quarter. We said here. A car for the quarter. A demi for half. And one le quart. Okay, so here you can see the table also. So tell me again, il est 5 heures 15. Mahira, are you here?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
So what do I say again?
Okay, you will say, il est 5 heures, 5 hours, et quart. 5 heures 15.
In cinq heures
5 heures 15.
a car. In cinq heures a
Heures
car.
et quart. Tell me the next also.
Now this
I-
a heart.
Il est, tell me the next
Il
one.
est,
6:30. How we will say this? Il est,
il est 10 heures.
6 heures, 6, the number,
Et
6 heures.
6 heures.
How do we say
And the,
the half?
um, I'm not sure how to say it.
Can you see the
Um,
table? The clock, the clock. It says here 1 heure et demie.
oh, okay. That
Okay,
table.
demi,
Six,
here, a quart et
six
demi.
tons.
Il est 6 heures et demie. Et demi.
Why is it demi?
Because we say that in formal language, we have these expressions here. Again, a quart for the quarter, et demi, and moins le quart, or moins dix in informal. In formal language, yes, you can say 30 in informal language. Here now we learn the
Can I say
informal, which
demi
is
for
more
that one?
spoken. So can you see here in the table?
Yeah.
It says in
So,
academy. So this one. Tell me again. Il est 6 heures.
six heures et demi.
Très bien. Il est 6 heures et demie. Why I'm saying 6 heures? Because X after we have vowel and pronounce Z. Il est 6 heures, all 3 heures. OK? C'est une phonétique here. After, Pagani, do you want to try? Mm?
Oui, madame.
Okay, let's try. I will help you. Here we have
Ma'am, 7-1 or that 947 one.
mhm. So what you will do here? What did you say? That you will now minus, how do we say this? You remember here. You will add 1 hour, then you will say mon le quart. You will add 1 hour and then mon le quart. You can see also the table here. You see, 2 heures mon le quart. So how we will say this? 10 hours minus 1 quart.
Minus
Il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. 10 heures, sorry, il est 10 heures,
Il est 10 heures,
hein, moins le quart. I added 1 hour forward.
Monica.
Moins le quart. You see here in the table. Moins le quart.
Monica.
Yes, so we just here, when we have moins 5, moins 10, moins le quart, moins 20, moins 25, we need to add 1 hour. And then we're doing the abstraction. We say minus. In English, moins, in French. Okay, so we need to learn this one, especially for moins le quart, this is fixed expression. So, 10 heures moins le quart. Dipti, quelle heure il est? The next one. Il est,
Il est
oh, sorry. Dipti, are you here?
yes,
Yes,
Ravina.
I'll be unmute because we can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is easy one.
Ma'am, which one?
Two 10.
210. Okay.
Mm.
210 is like il est
Il est, mhm.
do il est do and this.
Il est 2 heures. Remember les zones.
Sorry,
2 heures.
like this. Il est do are
2 heures. 2 heures.
this. In are this.
The 2 heures. 2 heures, the pronunciation. This. 2 heures, this. Okay.
Uh,
Just
ma'am,
pronunciations. After X, we have vowels. Pronounced des. The same with this, the
this
same with X, the same with trois.
this. Okay, ma'am.
Vowels. So
And
remember pronunciation. 2 heures. 6 heures. 3 heures. Okay. Yes, Vana, don't remember you were here. Ritu, I think you were not here
okay, ma'am.
yesterday.
210 we can say il est.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Kindly come again. How to say
Il est
210?
il est 2 heures. This. This. Directly the number. We don't say and, nothing else.
Okay.
2 heures,
Okay.
this. It's simple. Yes, Van. Here you can say whatever you can say 8:35, or you can say 9 o'clock minus 25. So try the two options.
Il est this.
Never, it's 9 o'clock. Never,
Il est never.
never. See the table, how we say moins 25. You see here, moins 25 minus 27. Next to une heure et demie, after it says 2 heures moins 25. You see the table? You're doing the extraction. Yasvan, you understand?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, my screen was stopped. Ma'am, please explain.
Okay, can you see here the table? The clock.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the clock. So we have une heure et demie. Can you find une heure et demie? Then the first half. Can you find this? Une heure et demie? Hmm? What do you see? 2 heures moins 25, moins 20, moins le quart, moins 10, moins 5. Can you see these things?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what do you need? We need minus 27. So which one is this? Is 2 heures moins 25 minus 27. But you need to add 1 hour forward. So you will say il est 9 heures
Il est
moins,
9 heures
moins 25,
mo-
minus 25, 7, minus.
moins
25.
25.
Okay, you understand what I mean, okay? You understand what we're doing. When we have one here, we add 1 hour and then we're doing the abstraction. Minus how many minutes, okay? Here you can say also, il est 8h35. It's the same, 8h35. Or, even better, say 9h moins 25. Okay, two options here. Next. Is Hannah?
Which one is it now?
7:40.
7:40. So, this would be il est 8 moins 25. Moins 20.
Everybody understands. 8h, he added 1 hour forward. He added 1 hour. 8h moins minus 20. You understand? Pagani. I don't know, my here is here. Yes. Pagani, you understood what is happening, okay? 8 hours minus 20. Next, Simran.
It's 8 moins 5.
Il est 8h, we add it again, 1 hour forward, minus 5, moins 5. Ritu, I don't know if you were not here, I think, yesterday. Okay, you hear his for the first time. Can you try? I will help you. Next one.
Yes,
Il
ma'am.
est. Quel est-il? You will reply, il est. Et 4 heures, 4 hours. 4 heures.
Il est une victor.
Okay, here, the last one. Can you see the last one? 4:35. The last, 4:35. So you need to tell me. Il est 4 heures. 4 heures. 4 o'clock, 4 heures.
Il est une victor.
Now we say the last one. 4 hours, the last one. 4:35. Okay, here you can see that, what we're doing, the exercise. We're trying to say the hour in French. So I want you to say the last one. 4:35. It's 4 heures. 4 o'clock. 30 or 35. So 35. Il est, so whether you say il est 4h35 or what we said, you will add 1 hour, you will say 5h minus 25.
5 minus 27.
Il est 5h moins 25. You see also the table. 5h moins 25. It means 5 hours minus 27. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the same. 20, whether you say 4h35 or 5h moins 25. So I want you to learn these things, moins 5. I want you to use this because it's everyday spoken French. Okay, the other one, the formal, okay, it's fine, you know the numbers, but I think this is better to learn.
Maybe
Let's continue.
in terms of examination, which will
Moins
the question?
l'écart, it's better use moins écart et demi so you know to show that you know the hour because yes, this is better.
Okay.
So here we have the same hour, informal and formal. So now we will practice also the numbers to see what if you remember the numbers. Dipti, do you remember the numbers?
Yes, ma'am. I remember.
You're a mathematician.
No, ma'am.
You should
I had
remember.
mathematician in
You
English,
should,
but now in
yes.
French I am so poor. But
Okay.
I try my best. In starting with one we can say deux, trois, cinq, five we
Six,
can say six.
un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six.
Yeah, ma'am. Deux, trois, quatre,
Not do, deux, deux,
deux,
deux.
okay. Deux, trois, euh, quatre, cinq, six, sept, and eight.
Six, sept, huit.
हाँ, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix.
Ok. 11, 12, 13, 14, hein,
Ma'am, can
15,
I speak yes
16.
one?
Yes, one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 38, 39, 40.
40, 40.
40.
Très bien, très bien.
40, 41, 42, 43, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 50, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70,
Bien.
71, 70, 12, 70, 13, 70, 14, 70, 15, 70, 16, 70, 17, 60, 18, 79, 90,
Wow.
80.
Yes,
You're all speechless. Hats off.
well done. Well
Okay, you
done.
have to clap.
Ma'am,
You
he
have
knows
to
till
clap.
Miller, so he will continue till Miller. So let him be. I was supposed to tell ma'am, stop him.
Yes, ma'am. It's amazing, amazing.
Amazing, yes. So everybody should learn the same way, like Yasvan. He knows by heart, you see, he doesn't see any table. He knows, he has already known everything. He has memorized the time, the number, so everybody should learn the same way. Now, Dipti, you will
Yes,
say the
ma'am.
informal and formal the same time in two ways.
Okay. For three we can say il est, toi, a.
3 heures, don't forget the liaison. Les 3 heures.
Lit toiser. Lit
3 heures.
toiser.
They
Toiser.
are, or if it is afternoon, how you will say the formal? If it's afternoon.
Okay. Then we can say Afternoon, après-midi, I don't know, ma'am, what we say.
15, 15, 15, 15. The numbers that Yasvan said before. Il est 15 heures.
Okay, les 15 heures.
15 heures. Next. Well, she's here. Pagani. 4:15. You will say it in formal and formal.
Informal cat.
Il est. So we will start with il est, the expression. Il est 4
Il est 4
heures.
heures.
After, do you remember how we say this? A car, do you see here? A car. 15, we say a car for informal. A demi for 30. Only car. Okay, so tell me. Il est 4 heures a car.
Il est 4 états.
4 heures. Hein? We say heures. 4 heures car.
États.
And the formal way, how you will say 16, 15. Il est.
Il est
Il est 16 heures.
Arnie,
16
how
heures.
to say 16?
Do you remember 16 heures? 15.
Yeah.
Do you remember the numbers? 16 heures,
Yes,
15.
ma'am, she knows very well. She knows very well.
Pavni, you know
16.
the numbers, right, Bete? You know the
Yeah.
numbers till 100 in French? Yeah, so ma'am is asking you that only. You have to read the same numbers in French.
In the formal way, yes.
Kindly try,
So,
unmute
pardon?
yourself.
How to say 16 in French? 16.
And this is muted. I think, Pavani, you're muted.
Pavni, kindly unmute it, Peter.
oui, madame.
So tell me the formal way. Il est,
Ma'am, I have to tell like 16 in numbers.
16 or 15. Yes, the formal way. So tell me in French.
Il est
Mhm.
16
16 heures, 16 heures,
il est 16
15 after, 15, 15. So tell me again, tell me again altogether. Il est 16 heures, 15. Tell me again.
16 il est 16 15.
Il est 16 heures, 15.
Il est 16 15.
15. Okay, très bien. Ritu, can you say the next one? 6:30.
Il est 6
6 heures.
8.
6 heures. Do you remember how do we say this in formal? How do we say this? Et demi. You see the table? Et demi. Et demi. So tell me again. Il est 6h30.
Il est 6h30.
Très bien. If it's evening, we have need a formal hour. You will say 16:30. How do we say here in French? Il est
Il est 18 minutes.
Il est, do you remember the numbers? 18 heures.
Il est 18
heures 30. 30.
et
18
10.
So you have to practice the numbers,
Yeah.
right? To remember the numbers. Next is Hannah.
Which one? 6:30, 8:20.
8:20.
8:20. Okay, so informal it would be il est 8h20,
Il est 8h20.
and in informal it would be il est 8.
No,
Sorry,
it's evening. It's evening.
evening. So we
How we say 20?
so it's in the evening, right? 8:20 in the evening.
Yes. So in French, 20, how we say it?
20.
So, il est, alors, il est?
Il est this is a little bit confusing.
20h20. 20h20. The formal time. 20h20. You say the formal one, huh? No. 20h20. You just say the numbers, nothing else.
Oh, okay.
And next, yes, Vanna.
Yes, ma'am.
The next, remember how we will do with one.
Il est,
Mhm.
il est, il est 9 mois 10 tonnes.
Here
Tonnes.
you need to add 1 hour. Say 10. 10 heures.
10.
Heures.
Il est 9 10
No, nef, forget nef. We added 1 hour immediately. We say 10 heures.
10 heures.
Moins le quart. Moins le quart.
Molécule.
Understand?
10 heures. Molécule.
You see here, we added 1 hour. 4:40. You see here, 4:45. We say 5 heures. We add 1 hour directly. And we're doing the abstraction. Moins le quart. Minus 1 quart. Il est 5 heures moins le quart. So the same here, the same way. 10 heures moins le quart. Is it clear?
Il est 10 molécules.
Tell me now then formal if it's evening. The last one, since you know very well the numbers, it will be easy.
Il 9
No, you will see here exactly 21 and 45. Exactly as you see. It's evening now. The formal way.
Same to same number, you have to read 21 in French and 45 in French.
Yes.
Same number.
Warte und ton 14.
Okay, you will say il est 21 heures because it's feminine. 21 heures 45.
21
45.
45.
You understand? For formal, when it's evening, you will say all the numbers, heure after, and the whole number. Now, next, another activity here. I think Simran, I think, has left. So who is here? Deepti.
Yes, il est du a. The a.
Tell
Il
me
est du
again,
a.
pronunciation. Desert, desert.
The. Sorry,
Desert.
I'm always saying
Today
incorrect.
you will learn about this. Okay, desert, desert, razère. Next time you will know the pronunciation. Il est
No,
2 heures.
no.
And we want to
Les,
say, we want to say exactly 2 heures. Il est 2 heures pile. Il est 2 heures pile. Next, I'll say also the formal way.
formal way we can say 14 is quantia. Il est quantia.
Il est 14 heures.
14.
14 heures.
14.
14 heures. I
14.
haven't here. I have included. Okay. Next one. Pagani. Uh, 5:15. This one.
Il est 5 at remember what we say in between that.
Il est 5 heures.
Il est
5 heures.
5
Il est 5 heures et quart. You see here the table. Il est 5 heures et quart.
Il est 5
5 heures et quart. Okay. Here, this one. Et quart. Et quart, this one. You remember et quart et demi. So, for the formal way, how you will say the formal way? Le.
Il est 15.
15 heures. 15 heures.
15.
15 hours. Il est 15 heures.
Il est 15 ans.
Heures.
Heure.
Next. Yes, one. No, it's not this. Here we are. Next, the third one. Yes, one.
Ma'am, 10:20.
7:30.
7:30. Il est 7 et 30.
Don't forget heure between. 7 heures. 7
Il est
heures
7 et 30.
et demi, for informal. You see here, et demi. We have these expressions for a car, a demi, and one le car. So tell me again,
Okay.
il est 7 heures.
Il est 7 heures. Il est 7 heures. Il est 7 heures et demi.
Et demi, très bien. And the
Et demi.
formal way below.
Il est 10. Il est 19 heures. Il est 19 heures 30.
Très bien. Il est 19 heures. On pronounce V because we have vowel. Il est 19 heures 30. Très bien. Yes, one. Next, Ritu. It's simple. 10, 10, 20.
Il est 9
Il est 10h20. 10h, 10h20.
Il est 10h20.
20. And how do we say the evening time formal? 22:20.
Doit de. Il est doit de.
Heure. Il est 22
Doit.
heures. Il est 22h20. Don't forget to say the word heure. Hein? Il est 22h20.
Il doit de sucre.
Okay. Next Pagwanim. 11:45. Remember here to add 1 hour forward. So you will say 12 minus 1 car. Il est?
Il est 12. Euh, quel- 14.
Here, remember, we have the expression moins le quart. Moins le quart.
Molecule.
So see, here we have an informal way. So just be careful here because we can't say douze because if it's nono, we will say midi. Il est midi moins le quart. If it's midnight, we will say il est minuit moins le quart. We can't say for informal way douze. Midi is noon and midnight is minuit. Okay, so il est midi moins le quart. And the formal way, Pagani, you see here 23:45. How do we say this?
Va. Va toi.
Il est 23
Il
heures.
est va.
23 heures.
Toi.
3 heures.
14.
45. 45.
35.
So don't forget the hours. Il est, what did you say? Il est 23h45. 23h45. Next is Han.
1 o'clock.
Mm.
Okay, so informal it would be il est une heure.
Il est 1 heure. 1 heure.
Il est une heure. Do I have to say like morning and the afternoon as
Yes,
well?
if you want to say yes, yes. You remember this? Il est
Du matin. Il est heure du matin, and
du
like
matin. Du matin.
yeah, we can also say like il est heure l'après-midi.
De l'après-midi.
This,
De l'après-midi.
yeah. And informal we can say il est une heure and il est 3 heures.
13 heures. Il est 13 heures. Très bien. Dipti. 3:10.
Ma'am, which one?
3:10. After 1
Three.
o'clock.
Yes, ma'am. 3 o'clock we can say il est 3 heures.
3 heures. 3 heures.
3 heures.
After this.
After it is
3 heures.
il est
This.
at this.
Not
3:10. Okay, 3:10 we can
not,
say
yes, we don't use enter or at directly. Il est 3 heures. This.
il est 3 heures this.
3 heures. 3 heures. Tell me again. 3 heures.
This.
This.
3 heures this.
And the formal way, 15.
We can say 15 quens. So il al quens.
Il est 15 heures.
15 heures. This. 15 heures this.
15 heures 10.
It's so easy, but our pronunciation is wrong, so it's so easy.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Have to fix the pronunciation. Just practice.
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
one. Next one. 650.
Okay. Il 650. Il s- 7 moins 10.
Très bien. 7 heures, hein? Il est 7 heures moins 10.
Il est 7 heures moins 10.
Très bien, très bien. You understood very well. And the formal way,
Il est il est 18 heures 50.
très bien. Il est 18h50. Next, what else is here? Is Ishan. You are muted. You are muted.
Ma'am, which one? 1930?
8:30.
8:30. 8:30. Formal and informal as well, right?
Mm, mm.
So informal, I think it would be il est 8, il est 8 heures et demi,
Mhm,
and formal would be il est 20h30.
mhm. Très bien, très bien. Deepti,
Yes, ma'am.
4:40.
440. Il est 4 a 4 a 40 we can say.
No, here what you will do is to add 1 hour and you will say minus 20. So
Okay.
add 1 hour minus moins.
Minus 20. Yeah.
Okay, so tell
Uh,
me.
yes, ma'am. 5 to 20 like this.
Exactly,
5 to 20.
exactly, exactly. So tell me.
So I can say il 5 il a 5 what we can say
5,
20
5
is
heures, 5 heures moins 20
1
minus 20. Tell me again, il
man
est
yeah
5
il 5
heures
man 1
moins 20.
minus
Très bien.
more
Minus 20. And the formal way,
in formal way we can say il elle 4
il est 20 heures, 20 heures.
one hair and 40 we can say 40 is 4
40, 30.
30.
30, 30. You have to remember the numbers. Check, revise
Yes.
the numbers for next time. Revise the numbers.
Okay,
Il est
ma'am.
20 heures, 30.
Il est
Okay.
30.
Next, Ritu, 4:40. We said about this. Yes, we said about this. So, wait a minute. Here is another exercise, very easy. Complète la phrase. Ritu, il est
Il est 12h24.
Do you remember here how do we say il est 2h15? So il est 2h, what is the word which is missing here? Which word is missing? Hmm?
Il est 12h24.
Wait again, il est 2h. here, the table, a car. So the word is missing a. A car. Car. So the word a is missing. Il a deux car. Next, Pagani.
Il est 5 et demi.
Et demi, très bien. The word a is missing again. Here you can see the table. Et demi, the word a is missing. Next one, Sana. Liscan, can you unmute?
Sorry about that. Il est 8h01.
You fell in the trap.
Il est 8h01. There's no nothing we use in here.
Nothing
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Directly, it's
Yeah.
a trap. It's a trap here. We tell va directly. We
Yeah.
use a only for a car et demi.
Et demi.
Only for this, the first one. A car et demi. The other one, nothing. Il a 8h20. Next, Yasvan.
Oui, madame. Il est 10
Do you remember the expression?
Moi les
Très bien. Moins le car.
moi les cars.
Très bien. Minus one car. Pagani.
Ma'am, I think Pavni's network is fluctuating, so she got frozen.
Okay. Dipti.
Il est à 7h. Il est 7h.
Il est 7h.
Il est 7h at this.
Remember, you fell in the trap. The same trap with Ishan. Il est 7h.
At this.
Nothing. We don't say nothing. We don't use nothing directly. Il est 7h10.
Oh, okay.
We use et only for a car et demi.
Okay.
So tell
Now,
me, il est 7h10. Okay. A car et demi only for the first, the two first.
and demi. Okay, ma'am.
So yesterday we said also about la journée. I don't know if you have checked these words. So tomorrow we'll practice again comment on passe la journée. Je me réveille, je wake up à 7h du matin, je me lève, je me brosse les dents, je m'habille. So tomorrow we'll practice these things again. So just I will send you the updated PowerPoint to revise all these things. I revise also the numbers for the formal hour mostly. And I think you don't have time. You don't have any problem. So just just need practice, nothing else. Minus 1/4. Remember this. Moins plus minute means the minutes before the next hour. So you add the hour and you're doing the abstraction. Minus how many minutes? Moins le quart, minus 1/4, but it's not nothing else, something else difficult or something strange. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Yasvan, is it possible to show these things also to Yasasvi, since Yasasvi is not here? You can explain these new
Yes,
things to
ma'am. Yashashvi is
Yasasvi.
suffering from fever, and actually Simran was attending the class in the car, so she lost the network. Yeah.
Yes, but Yasvan, he is very smart and he will
Yeah.
explain to her everything. He was like a
Yeah, exactly.
machine. He
Today.
was telling the numbers like a machine. Number
Absolutely.
machine.
Even Pavni knows till 100, but maybe it was not consistency and because of her exams. But yeah,
Yes,
she will
ma'am.
able
She
to do
is
it, right,
also so
Pavni?
intelligent. She is
Ma'am,
also so intelligent. Yeah.
I
Very young.
remembered all the number.
Très
Yeah.
bien, bien, Pagani. Très bien. Don't forget to mention the word because you forget this thing. Cet
Oh, okay,
And the pronunciation, de dizer, ciser, deser, dipti.
yes,
For you.
me,
Okay.
madam.
And ma'am, some of them are pronouncing as is egg. I said there's no egg, no apple, no.
Both are correct. Look, in the past we were saying the last years this is not used anymore in French, but it's correct. Still, it's correct. In the past, we will say all the time. This
Eho, eho,
But now everything is correct. Both are accepted. Both are accepted.
eho, eho.
Okay,
Million
so
mercy, Madam Rania, for your consistent dedication in taking our classes every day. We truly appreciate your time, efforts, and guidance in helping us learn and grow. Your support and commitment inspire us to improve continually. We are sincerely grateful for your teaching and abiento, Madam Rania.
Mhm. À
ma'am, Yashwan
bientôt.
also wants to speak. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes,
Mhm.
Yashwan. Hmm. Yes, Yashwan.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, respected ma'am, for your inspiring and insightful teaching. Your session was truly enlightening and filled with valuable knowledge that will remain with us for a long time. We sincerely appreciate your time, dedication, and efforts in making this learning experience so meaningful. As a humble token of our gratitude, we would like to present this small gesture of appreciation to you. Thank you once again, and merci beaucoup, respected ma'am.
Merci beaucoup. Je remercie tellement, mon cher Yasmin et mes chers élèves. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée et à demain. Je vous remercie beaucoup pour votre énergie, votre dévouement, votre participation active. Et à demain, on se rencontre encore une fois. De nouveau, again, in French, we say de nouveau. On se rencontre de nouveau means again. Okay. Or encore une fois, one more time.
Oh,
Encore une fois means once again. Alors, au
hmm.
revoir.
Au
Au
revoir,
revoir,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Dr.
Yes,
Bala.
ma'am.
Madam.
See.
Merci beaucoup.
Bye.